tell us a bit about Insight 2021.
So Insight 2021 is a festival of learning that we're running on behalf of the Midlands Decision Support Network. And it's creating a forum where we can share ideas, thinking, experience, good examples, to help everyone in their efforts to advance the quality of health and healthcare.
Okay, thank you, Peter. And why are the Midlands Decision Support Network hosting this festival?
The Midlands Decision Support Networks are really exciting development. So the systems in the Midlands have agreed to come together to first of all to create their own teams that are a focal point for analysis and learning within their system. But they've also agreed from the outset to connect those teams together through this network and to use the vehicle of the network to advance skills, knowledge, and to improve the ability to share learning so that we can all advance at an ever faster pace and truly reap the benefits of scale. So part of the remit of the strategy unit in acting as the development centre for that network is to put on a range of learning programmes, and the Insight Festival is just one focal point for that in each year.
And why Insight to Action as a theme?
We talk a lot in the health service about the need to increase the use of analysis in what we do, and we talk a lot about the need to increase analytical capacity and capability. And I think our sense is that the part that needs the greatest development at the moment is actually the demand side for all of this. So the appetite by leaders and by systems and by organisations to want to be analytically led or insight led. But it's not easy. The world is a very crowded place, and there's many things that people have to accommodate as they undertake their day-to-day activities as managers and leaders in the system. So we wanted to use this festival as a way to try to distill some of the characteristics of organisations and systems that are perhaps making the most progress in terms of how to make sure that their decision making is indeed guided by high quality insight, and that they use their systems to learn from the experience of implementation so that they can actually become learning systems.
And who should come to the festival?
Well, this festival's for anyone who's interested in the ideas about how we can apply analytical insight into decision making. And by analysis, I don't just mean data crunching. I mean analysis of all sorts of things, including qualitative information and feedback and so on. There's never been a time when we need more to create opportunities for people to connect and to learn from each other and to come together in their thinking so that we can generate ideas about how to respond to the challenges we face outside of the kind of silos we've often created in the past. So this type of event where we bring ideas and opportunities for debate and opportunities for conversation and create a space where they can be shared and create a space where new relationships, new networks can be formed. That just seems to me to be a vital endeavour. And I think it's fantastic that the Midlands Decision Support Network, as part of its activities, is sponsoring this type of event on an annual basis.
So people are pretty busy at the moment in health and care. Why would they come to this?
It is very busy at the moment, and there are many competing demands. And I wouldn't say people should come, but I would invite people to come, because I'm confident that what we'll offer in these sessions will be interesting, maybe even be inspirational, will be a little bit unconventional, and hopefully will be also a bit of fun. So we'll be dealing with serious issues, but dealing with them perhaps in a slightly different way. And I think that can be food for the soul, actually, in a busy life. So I would say, if you can, please come and join us for one or more sessions, and we'll aim to make sure that they add value to your life, and maybe even add a little bit of joy to your work.